Hey, I forgot I have one more. Well, I was talking to a physics guy at Fresno State. He actually wrote a paper on my idea, although the title and the subject matter ended up changing. I had a question on magnetism in a generator, and rotation, all points in the universe being the center of the universe, gravity bending space-time around itself, yada yada yada. Hawking stuff. Thanks, Steven. You're awesome. You're one of the funnest guys ever to play with. But I was wondering, being magnetism has met its maximum possible rate, and rotation would push it further, faster, harder, past that, maximum rate of universal speed. Well, to make up for that, just as to comply with relativity and all that, I thought possibly, I didn't know the name of chameleon energy at the time, but if you want to look it up, there's a paper called Chameleon Stars. Very cool guy named Doug. He did some work I couldn't possibly do at the time. I still have trouble with whenever the math turns into numbers beyond like basic algebra. I'm at a loss. Yeah, even though I was the top of my class, it just didn't work out. Life goes that way at times. But I figured it could be chameleon energy, giving the energy that is there, traveling, but also allowing magnetism to stay at the rate possible, being it's breached, yet that energy flow can be met, with electricity in a generator. I don't remember the physicist's name. I kind of do. I just can't spot it in my head. He's the guy that discovered electricity with magnetism and copper alloys or whatever. But he wrote a different theory, and I wrote one, not knowing his at the time. But there is a simple test. If anybody in the physics world ever sees this, if magnetism actually is converted to electricity in a generator, well, then it would be easy to test with the right instruments. You guys have measuring equipment. I don't have. You guys, that's what you guys do. You figure out how things work so the rest of us have a better future on this silly little blue planet out here in space. But if the magnetism is actually converted, then when in rotation, the magnetism would effectively drop. If that magnetism is converted into electricity. And if not, then electricity in a generator is another form of chameleon energy. It's just real simple. Where that comes from is, I've got a few ideas on that, but, once I'd imagine a black hole brings everything to a singularity, it would, everything in the universe being connected to the singularity. Although a black hole, that stuff would be there. It would be free to move anywhere else needed also. So, peace. Love you. Hi, Dad. Hi, Talon. Hi, Casey. Hey, Brandon. I love you guys. Bye.